Now I want to introduce you with Photoshop interface. Once you are comfortable with interface, you will be more efficient. On the left side we have tool panels. As you can see, this is where all tools are located that we are going to use to edit or modify our artwork. You'll notice that there is two different views of Tools panel. Currently is activated single column view. If I go up here and click on these double arrows, you will see double column from up here. So this is really up to you. How do you like to display those settings? I personally prefer to work with single column view. There is too many tools in Photoshop and they can't all fit up here. So some tools work in groups to make it simple, and you can reveal those tools by just simply clicking up here on some particular tool. As you can see, currently I have activated Lasso tool. Now, when you select tools, you'll notice that bar up here change. Let me go grab some different tools, and as you can see, this bar change with each tool. As you can see, this is all tools in Photoshop, and this is something that you need to understand. As you can see, this is a foreground color and this is the background color. By default, foreground color is black and the background color is white. If I go and press on this icon, it will swap those two colors, or we can use X as a shortcut to swap those two colors. Let's go and change some color to a red or something, just in a second to show you. If I press X, it will automatically swap those two colors. If I press on this icon, it will automatically bring up default settings for this option. As you can see, it will automatically bring up the black color for us. So let's continue. If we go up here at the top of the windows, you will see the standard option bar across the top. From up here, we can access variety controls and initiate some of the creative features in Photoshop. Just under the top bar, we got Control Panel. As I mentioned before, when I select some tool, it will automatically change and give us some other options for a particular item selected. And Control Panel goes over the entire width of the screen, just under the menu bar. This Control Panel is really useful, and it will display variety properties and option of particular tool. Moving to the right side, we got some panels visible as another slim panel with icons. Those icons represent panels that can be made visible by clicking on them. If I click up here, once panel will expand and we can make it again back to the icon if I press one more. As you can see. Next to this we have some panels that are already visible. As you can see, color or swatch. Here currently we also can see liberties. If you look carefully, you can see those panels include another panel as a tab. For example, those two, or up here, layers, channels, and paths. Photoshop allows us to arrange and customize those panels whatever you like. And from up here, we can see document's name. Now sometimes you will have 4 or 5 documents opened at once. So let me show you something. Let's go to File and create new file. It doesn't matter, let's go with this resolution. Just hit create and once more, create a new file. Okay, we can navigate and swap from one document to another in a second, just like that. Make some changes and go over that. You can navigate just like that. I'm showing you this because sometimes we will use multiple documents at once and we will do it in this way. Now I'm going just to close those two and that's it. In the next video we will create our custom workspace. Okay, one more thing. I go up here at the edit, then I go to preferences, then interface. And I just want to show you how I like to work with those colors. As you can see, my currently activated is this, almost the black color of my interface. As you can see, we have some gray or white color. So I like, and I would suggest you to work with darker interface because it's a lot easier for your eyes to work with darker colors, because sometimes we will work in Photoshop for around 2, 3 or even more hours, and this is too much light coming into your eyes. So I really suggest you to work with darker colors interface. Okay, and that's it for this video. In the next video we will create our custom workspace. See ya there.